Let me see your fucking hands. Let me see your hands. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the fucking ground. I'm gonna tell you one fucking time, bro. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground. I'm gonna punch you in the bro. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the fucking ground. Get your hands out of your fucking buckets, bro. Don't dude. Move that. Dude, put the. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. 271. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see your fucking hands. Let me see your hands. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the fucking ground. I'm gonna tell you one fucking time, bro. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground. I'm gonna punch you in the bro. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the fucking ground. Get your hands out of your fucking buckets, bro. Don't dude. Move that. Dude, put the. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. 271. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. 271. Suspect is down. Suspect is down. Female is walking on the second floor towards room 20 or 17. Secure. Hey, man. Go ahead and start medical code 3. Hey, man. Hey, stay with me, bro. Hey, stay with me, bro. Hey, man. Stay with me. Stay with me. Hey, bro. Stay with me. Secure that gun. Stay with me. Hey, man, stay with me. Stay with me, bro. Hey, I need you to trade out with me. I need you to trade out with me. Is it a chest seal? Yeah. Just go. Do you have a chest seal? Yep. I can't find the entrance. Right here. Where at? Right here, right here. Hey, female's walking around up here somewhere. Just keep an eye out. She's wearing all black. Come on. Gun's right there. Hey, secure this gun real quick. Okay. Hey, hey, hey. We're here. You're good. Locked out. Hey.
Female, all black, somewhere.
She's walking around. Last time I saw her, she's walking this way up top. Okay. What I need right now. Okay. I need this entire place locked down. Okay. So start clearing these cars so medical can get in here.
Okay.
Okay. Get him out on the street.
Are you 64?
I'm right here. Yes. Okay. Get him out on the street.
Okay.
That way.
I'm gonna go.
Okay. Hey, and. Hey, where'd the gun go?
I got gun. I'm gonna go.
Okay. Me.
Stay with your hand.
(271) incoming units. Make sure you guys park on the street so that medical can get in here.
Hey, I need a kit. We got shears, anything.
and 271. Just for information, female is still walking around. Hispanic female wearing all black. It'll be a black tank top. That's the last I saw her. She was walking south on the second floor.
She's on the second floor?
She was walking this way, sir.
I'm gonna start getting some of these cars.
Yeah, get the cars out. That way medical can get in here. Hey, Stroll, can you guys switch out with Novo?
Move you around. Don't move.
Hey, Pinehart, do me a favor. This is my car right here. Just go ahead and move it, dude. Make sure these cars get out. Okay. That way we have a lane of traffic for medical. Sir. I'm good, sir.
What do you need?
Fuck.
So, did he shoot you?
He
Pulled the gun?
pulled the gun. He put it to his head. He had a holster on it. He grabbed the holster like he was gonna pull it off and turn it on me.
Okay.
I'm the only one shot.
Just hold it. You don't need to take him to the sub yet. Just hold him, take him off to the sub.
Hey, watch out so medical can get in here. Yeah. Okay. I just want to get cleaned up, so I'm gonna ask for wipes real quick. $271. We're good right now. We have enough units. Sorry.
All right, guys.